And if you were to sell 100 memberships, you're going to be at $8,000 a month, and so on. If you want to grow on YouTube, be sure to subscribe because I share with you the same easy methods that I used to grow. And for those who've been asking, yes, my YouTube Masterclass course is available again, where you get the same methods I used to grow a brand new channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in a month. And you also learn how to monetize your channel the way I do to generate automated income just like this. And to get access to that content, all you have to do is click the link in the description. And you can even see the results YouTubers in the course are sharing. What's going on? So in this video, I'm going to share with you a way to truly grow residual income so that you can earn reoccurring commissions over and over again, even if you stop promoting. And so how we're going to do that is we're going to use affiliate marketing and membership platforms. And so then I'm going to reveal a really cool membership platform and a really powerful traffic source. So let's go ahead and get into this. So first and foremost, this is the membership platform we're going to look at today. It's called Kartra. If you're not familiar with Kartra, it's an alternative to ClickFunnels. If you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, well, it's an all-in-one online business platform. So basically, let's go ahead and scroll down and you can see some of the things you can do with this. So Kartra has checkouts. So you can set up your own checkout cart so you can accept payments through credit card or PayPal. You can create sales pages, websites with this, just drag and drop. It's going to be 100% mobile optimized. You can build leads and gather emails from prospects. You can set up your own membership. So if you have any type of course or training that you put together yourself, you can set it up on here. And they're going to handle all of the login type stuff and the payment collection, all that for you. You have Kartra email. You can set up funnels. So if you're not familiar with a funnel, that's simply where you promote a page. Sometimes they're called capture pages or lead pages. People give the email address to get access to something they're either going to get for free or they're going to pay for. And then it's going to send them through this series of upsells and downsells. And based on what they do, they're going to go through this funnel. And then since you've already captured their email at the very beginning of this process, you can then set them up to receive emails in the future from you promoting other various products. But ultimately, you don't personally have to know everything about this. All you're going to be doing is promoting it to people that are going to be interested in it. And one of the largest advantages Kartra has over ClickFunnels for our purposes is you don't have to be a paid member of Kartra to promote it. ClickFunnels you do. Now here's the great part. You're going to earn up to 40% lifetime over the sale of these membership programs. So if someone buys this 200, the most popular package, this silver package, if they buy this $200 membership, you're going to earn $80. And the next month when they have to renew that membership, you're going to earn another $80, and so on and so on. And if you sell 2 memberships, you're going to earn $160 a month. If you just sell 10 of these memberships, you're going to be at $800 per month. And if you were to sell 100 memberships, you're going to be at $8,000 a month, and so on. As long as these people continue to renew their membership, you're going to get paid, whether you do anything further or not. Now let's talk about how you're going to promote this, how you're going to sell this. First thing you're going to want to do is on the main page is scroll down to the bottom and find affiliate program, click on that. And then again here, it confirms what I said. Our program pays 40% for life of every sale and recurring payment generated by your referrals during their membership to Kartra. You just sign up right here for free. You get your affiliate link, and now let's promote it. Now, of course, you can do my favorite thing and promote it through YouTube. It's free traffic. Now, if you're not very good at getting views on YouTube, now if you struggle at getting views through YouTube, my course in the description below teaches you how to do that, how to get your videos ranked. So you're beginning the same methods that I use to generate hundreds of thousands of views to my channel every month. If you don't want to go that route, you can do this. You can go to Udemy and buy solo ads. If you're not familiar with solo ads, these are people that have subscribers to their email list. And so, like for instance, this person increases his list by 1,500 subscribers a day. So he has probably tens or hundreds of thousands of email subscribers that he can promote to. And so what this platform does is it allows you to partner up with these people, and you're gonna pay them to promote your product for you. So you can just reach out to this person or any of these people, give them your affiliate links. You're gonna give Kevin there, your affiliate link right here to this product, and then he's gonna reach out to his subscribers and promote that product for you. And right here, this is the conversion rate he typically receives, the average conversion rate. So for every 100 people on his list that he promotes something to, 32 of them on average buy it. Now that comes with a price because he charges 40 cents per view. So if you have 40 bucks lying around, you could say, hey, here's 40 bucks. Can you please send 100 of your people to check out this product for me? He's going to draft up an email. He knows how to talk to his people on his list, and then he's going to promote that product for you. So you don't even have to sell it. He's going to sell it for you. And now 40 bucks seems like a lot for just 100 views to your product. Remember, the conversion rate is very high for Kevin's list. And if you just sold the cheapest membership right here, that's 40 bucks. That's going to pay for the initial ad itself. And then if that person continues that membership for the next several months, you're going to receive another $40 and another $40. Now, if you just generate one sale of the most popular product, you're going to double your money. You're going to get your $40 back and then another $40, and then next month you're going to get $80, and the month after that another $80, and so on. Now if you sold multiple packages through your solo ad through Kevin, you're going to start to make some bank, and then you can reinvest some of that money and do the same with Kevin or other members here on this platform that have email lists, and potentially build a full-time income. Now Udemy is obviously not the only platform that you can buy solo ads through. You could go to Google and simply Google search solo ads and you come up with a bunch of platforms. This is just a very popular one. So I wanted to share with you this very powerful traffic source and the idea of promoting not just a simple product where you just get paid one commission for every sale, but where you can earn month after month off each sale and truly build a sustainable business and a full-time income. So I hope it gave you something new, maybe generated a few new ideas for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that, I'm going to wrap this up and I will see you in the next video.